welcome back to my channel. Today we're with my cousin T-Man, and then we're gonna be unboxing this Dinosaur mystery box.
It comes with one fossil.
Yeah, it comes with a fossil. We don't know what the fossil is, so we're gonna get the trusty dusty scissors and
One second. I'll show you a better way.
No, we don't want to destroy the dinosaurs.
No. I'm not. Ooh.
Yeah, that's. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay, we don't know. Look at this.
Allosaurus.
It's an Allosaurus. T-Man said because he's a dinosaur expert. Okay, so we have a T-Rex, of course. What can also open its mouth. Roar!
This creepy thing that can
This, I'm pretty sure, is an Ankylosaurus.
Yeah, some sort of it. And it's super creepy because it can do
Yeah, that's a problem. A Triceratops. I think the only plant eater here.
No, it's this.
Oh, there's two plant eaters.
Yeah. You did it wrong.
Oh, we got this super cool rock.
It also comes with a fossil, remember.
I think that's the fossil. But this rock actually kind of looks pretty cool. And then a real life, I think, Megalodon tooth. This, guys, is a real life Megalodon tooth. That is so cool. Yeah. Okay, so like and subscribe for more dinosaur content.